Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling background recording so Xbox Game Bar can keep recent gameplay. Open Settings, go to Gaming, then Captures. Toggle Record in the background while I'm playing. This lives in Windows control, not just the overlay, because the OS manages buffer size. Once enabled, choose a sensible length. Longer buffers use more RAM and storage, so balance quality versus space. Make sure you're signed into your account, so preferences persist across sessions. Next, you tune quality and storage so longer clips won't bog your system. In Captures, pick Resolution and FPS. Higher settings increase file size, so drop to 720p if you need 10-minute clips without filling disk. Also select audio sources and bitrate. Fewer tracks reduce size. Then check the capture drive's free space and clear older clips or move the folder if needed. Once done, you'll get longer clips that remain manageable and playable. Now you record and finalize. Press Win+G to open Game Bar and hit record, or use the Save Last button to capture the buffered interval. After recording, trim in the Photos app or the Xbox app to remove dead time, then export. If a clip won't save, check disk permissions, available space, and disable aggressive antivirus real-time scanning temporarily. These often block write operations. If problems persist, restart Windows and retry. That clears resource locks that commonly cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.